have green, a dark green, I don't know the name of this stuff, fish scale, gingerbread, I don't know. Anyway, we got tired of getting up there and painting all of the trim. I found it on the internet. They put trim around the windows and wrapped the trim up above the house where we had to paint, and they also did the soffit underneath. The guys that were here were courteous and asked a lot of questions and very creative. One of the guys, he's artistic, and so he's the one that came up with the idea, maybe you should go with white here instead of green, and we're really happy with how that came out. It does look a lot better because they were falling off and it needed to be painted bad. So I like how that looked, and I really like the soffit, and they put vents in underneath there because we didn't have much to vent the hot air out of the attic. I really like that part of it. Yeah, especially because we went from dark green to white, and they're all asking why we didn't do the whole house.